Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, I believe you can use a pen for this, which I just did kind of close this, so let's try that again. So it gives us this pop-up, and here, let's see, do we have a screenshot option? There we go, we have Smart Select, so that's one of the options. You can select that, and from here, so this is just a square, as you can see, there we go. So that's one way I can select it. Now let's see if I can get rid of this. So we have the Smart Select, we have also, oh, that looks like the only one that we have right here. So I'm going to put away the pen. And the other way you can capture a screenshot is by pressing power key and volume down at the same time. So just a click. Now once you click it, as you can see, it captures the screenshot. You have a couple options at the bottom. So you have a edit, tag, and share option, along with a detect text, which I did miss, so it didn't really detect anything. Now after a moment, this screenshot disappears, and once it disappears, you can find it in your gallery application. You can see there are the two screenshots that I have captured, actually three. Oh, never mind. Albums. Screenshots. There we go. So we have one and we have two. Now the cropped one that I created, I didn't save it, so it's not here. But if you wanted to save it, let me just kind of bring that up again. So once you snap something, you just press right here to download it, and as you can see, saving to gallery. And if we go back right now, you can see it right over here. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.